Carpentry is one of the oldest trades. It's about building with wood. From the first shelters to grand structures, carpentry has shaped our world. Early carpenters used simple tools. Stone axes, wooden wedges, and fire were their allies. They learned to select, cut, and shape wood. Over time, carpentry evolved. New tools emerged. Techniques were refined, passed down through generations. Carpenters became masters of their craft, building homes, furniture, and even ships. The history of carpentry is marked by innovation. Each new tool, each refined technique pushed the boundaries of what was possible. The invention of the saw was revolutionary. It allowed for faster, more precise cutting. The plane followed, enabling smooth, even surfaces. The introduction of nails, and later screws, transformed joinery. Structures became stronger, more durable. Carpentry was evolving, laying the groundwork for even greater advancements. Today's carpentry blends traditional skills with modern technology. Power tools have revolutionized the trade, increasing speed and efficiency. Electric saws, drills, and sanders make light work of tasks that once required immense effort. Computer-aided design, or CAD software, enables precise planning and visualization. Prefabrication, where components are built off-site, is increasingly common. This approach reduces waste, improves efficiency, and enhances quality control. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries, and carpentry is no exception. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. In carpentry, AI is being integrated into tools and processes. This technology has the potential to further enhance efficiency, precision, and safety in the field. From AI-powered cutting machines to robots capable of assembling structures, the possibilities are vast and evolving rapidly. AI is already making its mark on carpentry with innovative tools and technologies. These advancements are not just enhancing efficiency, but also revolutionizing the way carpenters approach their craft. Imagine a world where traditional woodworking meets cutting-edge technology, creating a seamless blend of art and science. Robotic arms, for instance, are these programmable robots that can perform repetitive tasks with precision, such as cutting, drilling, and assembling. These machines are designed to handle the most tedious and labor-intensive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more intricate and creative aspects of carpentry. The precision and consistency offered by robotic arms ensure that each piece is crafted to perfection, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Then, there are AI-powered saws and routers. These tools are equipped with advanced algorithms that can analyze the material and determine the best way to cut or carve it. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that each cut is as efficient as possible, minimizing waste and maximizing the use of materials. The level of detail and accuracy that these tools can achieve is truly remarkable, opening up new possibilities for intricate designs and complex structures. These tools use sensors and AI algorithms to optimize cuts, reducing waste and improving accuracy. By constantly monitoring the material and adjusting the cutting process in real time, these tools can achieve a level of precision that was previously unattainable. This not only improves the quality of the final product, but also makes the entire process more sustainable by reducing the amount of material that is wasted. And let's not forget predictive maintenance software. This technology allows carpenters to monitor the condition of their tools and machinery in real time, predicting potential failures before they occur. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, the software can identify patterns and trends that indicate when a tool is likely to fail, allowing for timely maintenance and repairs. This minimizes downtime and repair costs, ensuring that the workshop runs smoothly and efficiently. AI can analyze data from tools and machinery to predict potential failures, minimizing downtime and repair costs. This proactive approach to maintenance not only extends the lifespan of the tools, but also ensures that they are always operating at peak performance. By preventing unexpected breakdowns, carpenters can avoid costly delays and keep their projects on track. These advancements are just the beginning. The integration of AI into carpentry is still in its early stages, and there is so much more potential to be unlocked. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications that will further transform the industry. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications in the future, from automated design software that can create complex blueprints in seconds to advanced robotics that can build entire structures with minimal human intervention. The possibilities are endless. The future of carpentry is bright and AI is leading the way. The integration of AI in carpentry brings numerous benefits. First, there's increased efficiency. AI-powered tools can complete tasks faster and more efficiently, reducing labor costs and project timelines. Enhanced precision is another benefit. AI algorithms enable highly accurate cuts and measurements, minimizing errors and improving the overall quality of work. And of course, improved safety is a major advantage. Robots and AI-powered tools can handle dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries for human workers. By automating tasks and improving accuracy, AI allows carpenters to focus on more specialized and creative aspects of their work. Addressing the challenges of AI in carpentry job security and skill gap. The rise of AI in carpentry also presents challenges. Job displacement. As AI-powered tools become more prevalent, there are concerns about potential job losses for carpenters. Skill gap. The adoption of AI technologies requires new skills and training, potentially creating a gap between those who adapt and those who do not. It's crucial to address these challenges through education and training programs that equip carpenters with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven industry. The future of carpentry, a fusion of human expertise and artificial intelligence. The future of carpentry lies in collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence. AI will not replace carpenters but rather augment their capabilities. Carpenters will leverage AI as a powerful tool, using their knowledge and skills to design, oversee, and refine AI-driven processes. This partnership will lead to unprecedented levels of craftsmanship and innovation. Imagine buildings constructed with unparalleled precision, customized furniture created with intricate detail, and sustainable structures built with minimal waste. This is the promise of AI in carpentry industry. Carpentry in the age of AI, a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. From the rudimentary tools of our ancestors, where simple hand tools like chisels, mallets, and saws were the primary instruments of creation, to the AI-powered machines of today, which include robotic arms, CNC routers, and smart saws that can make precise cuts with minimal human intervention, carpentry has always been a testament to human ingenuity. The skill and creativity of craftsmen have evolved, adapting to new tools and techniques over centuries. The integration of AI marks a new chapter in this journey, bringing unprecedented precision and efficiency to the craft. AI can analyze complex designs, optimize material usage, and even predict potential structural weaknesses before they occur. This technological advancement promises to push the boundaries of what's possible with wood, enabling the creation of intricate designs and structures that were once thought impossible. As we embrace this technological revolution, it's important to recognize the symbiotic relationship between human skill and machine precision. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing craftsmen to focus on the more creative and intricate aspects of their work. It's essential to remember that carpentry is not just about building structures, it's about crafting legacies. Each piece of furniture, each building, tells a story of the hands that shaped it and the minds that designed it. By combining the timeless skills of carpentry, such as joinery, carving, and finishing, with the transformative power of AI, we can preserve the artistry of the past while embracing the innovations of the future. This fusion allows for a new era of craftsmanship, where traditional techniques are enhanced by modern technology, leading to creations that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. We can create a future where buildings are stronger, more sustainable, and more environmentally friendly. AI can help in selecting the best materials, reducing waste, and ensuring that every piece of wood is used to its fullest potential, and more beautiful than ever before. The marriage of traditional craftsmanship and AI technology holds the promise of a new golden age for carpentry, where the beauty of wood is celebrated in every creation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.